I'd like to do today is to go into Teams, look into a channel, and then create an Excel sheet from within that channel, and then add information to it. After that, upload an already existing Excel sheet. First of all, I ought to share my screen with you on the Teams, and then we can take it from there. And there it is, that you should be able to see that now, that screen. Now here we are, we've got various channel activity, chat, Teams, and meeting. So if I go on to, which is where we are, so if I need to go to Teams, and now we can see all the various teams I've got, and then the one team I want to have a look at is the primary school chatting team, and within that I've created various classes where the information from the school will go from various classes. These are primary classes. So if I look at on this one, you can actually already see under class 1 there's an Excel sheet I've uploaded. So if you go to click over to class 2, there is nothing there. So let's go ahead and create an Excel sheet. So you would go to files, and as you can see, there's nothing here. So if we add new, so we click down that, you can see all the various documents. So we can create a Word document, Excel sheet, PowerPoint, and you can see the rest, forms for Excel and notes, etc. So let's go ahead and create an Excel worksheet, and there you go. So give it I don't know, give it a name, very imaginative. Let's call it test one rather. So there it is. It's all, this is the Excel sheet that's created within that channel we were looking at. So if we just I don't know, add some basic information, name, I don't know, DOB, grade. So so we can now on here begin to add children's name, date of birth, and grades, and then begin to assess them. These are auto-saved, so we don't need to bother about or worry about saving even. So if I come out to that, like, and then maybe must be a simple way if I go back into it. So that is the one we created a few seconds ago. And if I now, all I need to do is click it on here, and it'll open it up, and I should see the information we added earlier on. The beauty of Teams is any of the people who have access to this channel can add information wherever they are in the world, as long as they got this, which is amazing in these days of COVID. So even from home or different countries, we can still work quite happily, although under obviously difficult situations. So to upload, what we have to do is go and obviously click the upload button, and we have a choice to do the files or the folder. We obviously want to upload a file, and if you click on that, then on the other screen that I have, I can choose where that file will come from, and then after that it will appear here. There it comes, uploading pretty fast, and it's the one at the top that's just been uploaded onto here. Look at the next video which we do to enhance our skills. All the best. Bye.